What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. So these 2 weeks are going to be crazy for me. I finally got squeezed in for my clinical rotation. I didn't think I could get squeezed in with this new travel job, so it's going to be a little crazy. So I'm going to try to get 5 videos a week. My next video is going to be Saturday on the next REIT in the series, and we're going to conclude the series actually today with part 1. So we need to go over realty income. This is why I like these guys so much, and I reinvest the dividends all the time. These guys are the monthly dividend king, and I'm going to reveal to you why. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check realty income out right now. The realty income sitting at 66.89. It has a dividend yield of 4.46%, a PE ratio of 62.55, average volume 4.13 million, market cap 41.95 billion US dollars. G range is 550 to 7540. Day range was 66.23 to 67.25. And its previous close was 66.19. So what do I like about these guys? I'll go over that. First, let's go over this on their website. Realty Income, the monthly dividend company, is an S&P 500 company and a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats. For more than 5 decades, we have invested in people and places to deliver dependable monthly dividends that increase over time. The company is structured as a real estate investment trust, or REIT, and its monthly dividends are supported by the cash flow from over 11,700 real estate properties owned under long-term net lease agreements with its commercial clients. To date, the company has declared 631 consecutive common monthly dividends throughout its 50-year operating history and increased its dividend 118 times since Realty Income's public listing in 1994. That is incredible. Now let's go over these guys with their portfolio. So check this out. Over 11,700 properties, 98.9% occupancy, 1,100 clients, and 79 separate industries. Right here, the diversification with separate industries is what also attracts me, because diversity is important. You have like medical real estate investment trust. You have industrial real estate investment trust. By the way, I just bought STAG yesterday. I'm going to do a quick, what do you call it? Gosh, I just had a brain freeze. A shorts with the what I bought. I mean, I'm going to show you how much I'm dollar cost averaging. So I'm not going to do shorts all the time in my buys, but I'm just going to show you of what my plan is and how much I'm going to put in a week. So you'll probably see a shorts tomorrow, but real quick, let's go over this. One thing is their geographic diversification. Look at how many things they have in Ohio. This is just my state, 675. Even Alaska has 6. Hawaii has 22. So each state there's an occupancy. Texas has 1,507 properties. Spain, 52 properties. And then the UK, it has 203 properties. And right here, Puerto Rico, it also has 6 properties. So they have expanded very well. So I'm going to go over just some of the companies that they are a landlord to. So here's their overall portfolio. So they have grocery stores, they have convenience stores, dollar stores, restaurants, quick services, drugstores, restaurants for casual dining, home improvement, health and fitness, automotive services, general merchandise, and here's their diversification for their top 20 clients, Dollar General. So a lot of these companies are pandemic proof and recession proof. Now you can say that Regal Cinemas and LA Fitness pandemic wise are an issue, but I highly doubt you're going to ever see another pandemic. Knock on wood. Again, this is not medical expertise. This is not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. The Dollar General, 4.2%. Walgreens, 3.9%. 7-Eleven, 3.8%. Dollar Tree, 3.5%. FedEx, 2.8%. They got LA Fitness 2.3%. BJ's is 1.9%. Stansbury's 1.8%. There was also an article that they're kind of targeting grocery stores. B&Q, CVS Pharmacy, Lifetime Fitness, Walmart, Sam's Club, AMC. Hey, AMC apes, you better pay your landlord, by the way. And guess what? Realty Income is one of your landlords. Red Lobster, Regal Cinemas, Fazmart, Kroger, Home Depot, Tesco, and Tractor Supply. So that's a wide variety of diversifications with, a real estate investment trust, which really attracts me. So I'm going to go over one more thing. So this is their approach. I want to go over this too. So they do research and strategy, review real estate fundamentals, client financial strength analysis, investment committee discussion, and decision. So their objectives identify mega trends, which they are doing. So they construct an optimal portfolio, consideration, market and location, surrounding demographics, traffic counts, access, and signage. So, high in demand. So this is what they do. This is very strong. Key insights, so long-term industry trends. Excellent. Corporate financial portfolio. So obviously if they're paying their landlord, they're going to make money. So remember, in 90% of what they make go back to investors. That's the rule of a real estate investment trust. So this is their business model and conservative strategy are supported by acquisition of properties leased to industry-leading clients with reliable and sustainable cash flow. Just some of those that I mentioned before to you guys have sustainable cash flow and reliable cash flow. So I just wanted to go over that. Now let's go over their revenue and their dividend history. So revenue-wise, they've done very strong. So this is in millions US dollars. 2015, 1,023, 2016, 1,103, 2017, 1,215, 2018, 1,327, 2019, 1,488, 2020, 1,647, and then 2021, 2080. That is very, very impressive. So I just wanted to let you know I'm drinking Starbucks coffee. That's a pretty good dividend stock. I literally just woke up early before I start my rotation, so I'm like half awake still. So let's go over a few more things, and then we'll go over the dividend history. So here's just some highlights of them. So this is in June 30th, 2022. The net income per share was 37 cents. Normalized FFO per share increased 15.9% to 102 compared to the 3 months that ended in June 30th, 2021. AFFO per share increased 10.2% to 97 cents compared to 3 months ended in June 30th, 2021. They invested $1.68 billion in 237 properties and properties under development or expansion, including 693.7 million in Europe. Net debt to annualized pro forma adjusted was 5.2x. Not bad. So I'm going to go over one more thing. So this is in November. This is on Yahoo. So Realty Income Corp came out with quarterly funds from operations of 96 per share, beating Zach's consensus estimate of 96. This compares the FFO of 91 cents per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted non-reoccurring items. Quarterly report represents an FFO surprise of 2.08%. A year ago, it was expected that this REIT would post an FFO of 95 cents per share, when it actually produced an FFO of 97 cents, delivering a surprise of 2.11%. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus FFO estimates 4 times. So that's one thing that is very attractive. Now let's go to their dividend history. Start in July 2015, it was 19 cents. And then in February 2016, that jumped to 20 cents. Then in February 2017, it jumped to 21 cents. And then in 2018, it jumped to 22 cents in February. Notice February is a big trend. 2019, it jumped to 23 cents in February. And there's a little bit of a roadblock. You can blame the pandemic. 2021, in January, it was 24 cents. Then in late 2021, they announced 25 cents. Are we going to reach 26 cents at the end of 2023? That could be a possibility. Again, this is not financial advice. For entertainment purposes only, disclaimer in the description. Payout ratio 77%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 23. Dividend growth in 5 years is 2.85%. If you bought one share, you made $2.98 to 4.46% dividend yield. So I own Realty Income. I'm going to be long in Realty Income. They'd have to do something crazy for me to sell them. So I'm going to try to squeeze in a video on Saturday. It's just a little crazy. I may just keep an eye on my channel, hit that notification bell after you subscribe, because I may try to squeeze one in if I have time these next 2 days as well. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Dark Dividend. You guys have a good one and take care.